Hello everyone, welcome to Shanta Lakshmi IAS. In this video, we will discuss India's largest floating solar plant, which was operationalized recently. This particular project is important because it helps India in achieving 500 gigawatt renewable energy target by the year 2030. So that's why this project becomes important. And where is this project located? It is in Telangana state, Peddapalli district in Ramagundam. And it is a 100 megawatt plant commissioned by NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation, which is the public sector power generator. And it's spread across 500 acres. That's why this project is the largest, India's largest plant. And it was built by Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited through engineering and procurement contract. So what are some facts about this project? It is located in Telangana state, 100 megawatt project, commissioned by NTPC, spread across 500 acres and built by BHEL. Moving forward, so what is this solar floating power plant is all about? The solar plant which is installed on water bodies, which keeps floating, is known as floating power plant. Then, how are these panels keep floating? See here, these panels keep floating only because of the material, high density polythene material. The floaters are manufactured with high density polythene material, which keeps floating irrespective of water level fluctuations. It's the water, there should be fluctuations, right? But because of this high density polythene material, that keeps floating irrespective of water level fluctuations. And this platform consists of inverter, transformer and high tension circuit breaker. Moving forward, and this project is unique because all the electrical equipment, that is starting from inverter, transformer, high tension circuit panel to supervisory control and data acquisition, all are set up on floating ferro cement platforms only. All these electrical equipments are floating only. And the entire floating system is anchored through special high modulus polyethylene ropes to the dead weights concrete blocks placed in the balancing reservoir bed. See here. Here it is the balancing reservoir bed. Here it is the surface of the water, that is panel, solar panels are present. And here concrete blocks, that is dead weights, concrete blocks are present here. And these panels or this floating material, this high density polythene material is roped, is connected to this concrete blocks through high modulus polythene ropes. These are ropes. So that's why this project becomes unique. All the entire electrical equipment and total project is floating only. Moving forward, what are its advantages? As the entire project is installed on water body only, it saves land, which can be used for other purposes such as farming, construction, etc. And water bodies exerts a cooling effect, which improves the efficiency of panels by 5 to 10% compared to grounded plant. And over time, this translates into significant cost savings due to improved efficiency, increases cost savings. Then it reduces water evaporation, which saves water for hydroelectric power generation. How? See here, these all floating plants are located above the surface of water. So it reduces water evaporation. And more water will be present, so more hydroelectric power generation. It's a hybrid power generation like solar energy and water. Then improved water quality, that is by reducing algal blooming, and reduced global warming by reducing coal consumption and CO2 emission, that is generating clean energy and no pollution. So these are all its advantages: availability of land, improvement of efficiency, cost efficient, reduced water evaporation, and along with that hydroelectric power generation, improved water quality, that is algal blooming reduction, and reduced global warming by reducing coal consumption and CO2 emissions. Then moving forward, then what are its limitations? It is expensive compared to ground mounted plant because of its engineering and construction equipment, and it requires daily maintenance, and the project is vulnerable to extreme weather conditions like high winds, waves, etc. So these are some of its limitations. Next, future expansion. NTPC is setting up to plan a 92 megawatt floating plant at Kayamkulam in Kerala, and one more at 25 megawatt floating plant at Simhadri, Andhra Pradesh. 92 megawatt at Kerala, 25 megawatts at Simhadri, Andhra Pradesh. These are the two projects that NTPC is going to set up. These will help in India's target of achieving 500 gigawatt renewable energy generation by 20